gentleman. He's got to be careful he doesn't break the stage. It's only little. Thank you very much, Iron Patriot. Next up, from Zelda, the Twilight Princess, we have got Wolfling by Samantha.
Who's been a good doggy?
Okay, now, I know that you've got a trick. Shake. You're so clever. You're so clever. You know, I left my treats in my old pants. I'm sorry. See me later. I'll find a treat for you. Okay. Now, everyone take a picture of Wolfling and give a massive round of applause for being such a good boy. Uh-oh, going to pounds. Oh. No, it's fine. We've made friends already, haven't we? Oh, good scratch. Oh. Okay, so let's give a massive round of applause as Wolfling makes his way off the stage. A new trick! Whichever way you like. We're not going to argue with a wolf. I thought it was funnier than that. Clearly, I'm